Good afternoon, sir. Now I'm going to talk about my research work. My MTech research is research area surface structuring using electrochemical micromachining. My PhD research area micro pattern generation using electrochemical micromachining. So, what is my research contribution in case of PhD research work? One first one, the unique research development of the particular electrochemical micromachining cell development with subordinate accessories, tool holding device, job holding device, and development of the vertical cross flow electrolyte system inside the machining cell. So using that particular setup, I have carried out my research work using Muxless electrochemical jet machining. That particular cell has been developed with very low cost, only 4,000. But in the present time, the cost of that particular setup, if we are purchasing that setup, that cost is near about 25 lakhs. But I have developed that particular setup within 4,000. And also I am going to patent filing also for that particular my development, and using that particular development I have carried out my research work, and also some other research scholar already completed their research work, and some other research also carrying out their research work in that particular cell. Experimental investigation carried out using for generation of different generation of the microcircular patterns near about square micro pattern, rectangular micro pattern, linear micro pattern, different types of circular micro pattern, and various types of different complex type micro patterns, that is cascade type micro pattern, varactor type micro pattern I have generated. And also for carrying out or for generating that particular micro patterns, I have chosen different effective process parameters, that is voltage, current, frequency, duty ratio, texturing time, flow rate, and also suitable surface characteristics, that is machine characteristics, that is material removal rate, machining depth, machining accuracy, surface quality, and using that particular setup and that particular process parameters, I have generated different micro patterns. And investigation, third one, investigation also carried out for generation of the different micro patterns with suitable eco-friendly and non-toxic, non-hazardous electrolyte also I have chosen for generating that particular micro patterns. And simulation also carried out using MATLAB for showing the current density contribution using for showing the density distribution between tool and job. And also tribological test also carried out for showing the effectiveness of the texture and untextured surfaces. Various mathematical models also developed for determining the theoretical responses and corroborate with experimental results. And also another particular setup also developed for carrying out the large area micro patterning using electrochemical microjet machining setup. That is also another development, means two development of the experimental setup I am carrying out for my research work. And also one unique technological guidelines also I have presented in my research work for generating the different micro patterns using base process parameters combination. And also based on that, I have published 18 international journals with higher impact factors, 22 conference paper, national and international in reputed international conferences. I published 4 book chapters and 4 books, and so many papers still now under review. And future research plan If I select in that university, in Alliance University, so what is my research plan, future research plan? Actually, my research area is the advanced micro machining, advanced manufacturing technology, advanced finishing process, industrial management, non-traditional machining process. So for carrying out that research work, necessary setup also required. First one. Second one, to develop the particular micro machining setup, that is the electrochemical micro machining setup, electro discharge micro machining setup, laser micro machining setup, abrasive jet micro machining setup. That setup is required for carrying out the machining, and generally for generating the different microstructures or micro features on advanced material like titanium alloy, nickel alloy, tantalum. So different materials we have used for that particular machining. And also to develop the hybrid micro machining setup. Based on that also, we machine so many micro features and different advanced material like electrochemical discharge machining setup is there, ultrasonic assisted micro machining setup is required. So many micro machining setup are there. And also another advanced finishing process like magnetic abrasive finishing process, chemical meco polishing process. So different finishing process also there. If we are set up that particular finishing process, so we will carry out research work, and also we corroborate with other research society and also institutes and also foreign institutes. So carry out our research work, and during for that research work, and also I will write various project proposal which will be applied in various funding agency like DST, like ARDB, BARC. So if they will sanction that project, so we will get that funding and also set up the particular setup in that particular university, because I have experience, because already I have worked BARC project, ARDB project, DST project, and also special center advanced technology project funded by the UGC. So near about 5 crore amount project already I have worked during my PhD work. So I have knowledge how I will write the project work and how will do that particular project work. That have I have knowledge. And if I get the opportunity to that university, I write that project, and also I have done that work in that particular university, because that university very good university, very reputed university, so many flexibilities there in teaching and research and administrations. And also if I get the opportunity, so I want to organize different faculty development programs, short term courses, conferences. So different events I want to organize in that particular university if I select. Thanks to all.